Hello, everyone. Kay here. The lead that I have for you today is with Arklign, and they are hiring for a remote customer service representative. This is full-time work from home. And a little bit about this role and the company. Arklign is a fast-growing dental laboratory, and they're looking for an experienced customer service rep who understands how dentists operate to support their dental clients to fabricate dental restorations according to their prescription. So, and you are the primary technical representative and will be responsible with assisting their dental clients with technical questions and case information over the phone, email, and by messaging to help the lab technicians fabricate the best restoration for the patient. Some of the responsibilities and duties that you'll have, it includes acting as an intermediary between dentists and technicians to fabricate dental restorations for patients, transcribing fabrication instructions in an easy-to-read format, learning and mastering dental terminology to remain up to date on products offered, required to demonstrate specialized critical thinking skills in relation to dental field with proficiency. You'll need to be able to demonstrate effective computer skills for both electronic communication and data management. You must be computer literate and possess strong data entry skills. You should be organized and be able to prioritize and complete work to meet defined turnaround time and expectations, demonstrate responsibility for timely, effective, and accurate processing of technical questions for cases. You should be able to follow up with dental clients as necessary on technical questions and repair related dental matters with a strong focus on complaint resolution and retention to build better rapport with clients. You're going to have heavy telephone and email communication, must have ability to multitask and prioritize tasks in a fast-paced environment, communicate and document critical information according to the established policies and procedures. You should be able to recognize reports and engage in opportunities for process improvement and willing to give and receive constructive feedback for continual quality improvement. Assess issues that arise and communicate to appropriate individuals, departments as needed, and perform other duties as necessary in support and collaboration with other members of the department. Now, they prefer that you live within the states of California, Florida, Oregon, Washington, or Wisconsin. And the pay for this, the salary is between $18 and $25 per hour. So I will have this link in the description. If you are interested in this, click on the link. It'll take you to this exact same page. I encourage you to read everything in full. Make sure you have a good understanding of the role, of the company, and when you're ready to apply, just click on this blue apply button and you should be good to go. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And thank you so much for stopping by. I will have more leads for you soon, and God bless.